Welcome to Best Choice. The best birthday gifts is probably one of the most exciting times for a 3-year-old, filled with anticipation and joy. Finding the perfect present can be a delightful challenge, as you aim to spark their imagination and bring smiles. In this video, we'll explore a curated selection of gifts that are not only fun but also contribute to their development, ensuring a memorable celebration for your little one. Number 5. Happy birthday. This is a special message for someone's birthday. It's a simple and heartfelt wish, perfect for celebrating another year of life. Hope they have a wonderful day. This is a special message for someone's birthday. It's a simple and heartfelt wish, perfect for celebrating another year of life. Hope they have a wonderful day. This is a special message for someone's birthday. It's a simple and heartfelt wish, perfect for celebrating another year of life. Hope they have a wonderful day. This is a special message for someone's birthday. It's a simple and heartfelt wish, perfect for celebrating another year of life. Hope they have a wonderful day. This is a special message for someone's birthday. It's a simple and heartfelt wish, perfect for celebrating another year of life. Hope they have a wonderful day. What we like. This flower garden building toy is made with eco-friendly materials, ensuring safety and peace of mind. It encourages STEM learning by teaching about plant parts and enhancing hand-eye coordination. If your child loves to build and create, this toy allows them to mix and match pieces, fostering creativity. If you are looking for an educational and engaging gift, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The design is very cute and appealing to young children. It has various interactive features that keep the child engaged. Number 4. CENOVE Flower Garden Building Toy for Toddlers. Looking for a fun and educational toy for your child? This is it. It's perfect for kids aged 3 and up, offering hours of creative play. Made with eco-friendly, BPA-free materials, this toy is safe for your little ones. The smooth surfaces ensure that it won't hurt their hands, meeting all safety standards. Comes with a handy storage box, making cleanup a breeze. All the parts are washable, even in the dishwasher, so you don't need to worry about the mess. It helps children learn about plants while developing hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. This toy makes learning fun and engaging. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This is a great gift for both boys and girls aged 3 to 6, providing endless creative possibilities. It allows children to build, match, and sort, encouraging creativity. They can mix and match pieces to create their own unique flowers, fostering early STEM skills. What we like. This kid's camera captures HD videos and offers multiple functions, including photo capture and games. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. If you want to capture your child's precious moments, this camera is ideal. It's perfect for little hands to handle and carry, ensuring they can document their adventures with ease. What people say. The colors are bright and attractive, and the pieces are the perfect size for small hands. This is an educational toy because it helps develop creativity, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills while playing. With 130 pieces, you can build 2 separate flower beds or combine everything into one big garden. Number 3. GOOPOW Kids Camera, fun gift for youngsters. Looking for a great gift for kids aged 3 to 8? This camera is perfect. It's made with safe, non-toxic materials and features a user-friendly design, making it ideal for young children. This camera has been upgraded with a selfie mode. It also includes a 2.0 LCD screen, making it easy for kids to see what they're capturing. It's a fun and engaging way for them to explore their creativity. This digital HD video camera takes up to 1080p videos and has 8x digital zoom. It helps them capture clear and wonderful moments. They can record videos and take photos with ease. It comes with multiple functions, including photo capture, video recording, playback, and even games. It also offers scene selections, adding more fun. You can easily download photos and videos to share with family and friends. It has a built-in rechargeable battery and includes a 32 GB SD card. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy for them to carry everywhere. It also comes with a lanyard for convenience. What we like. This magnetic drawing board provides a mess-free way for kids to unleash their creativity. It enhances essential skills like hand-eye coordination and color recognition. If your child loves to draw and you want a safe and durable drawing surface, this is the perfect solution. It's a fantastic tool for learning and fun, making it an ideal gift for young artists. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The design is very cute and appealing to young children. It has multiple interactive features that keep the child engaged. Number 2. Kikidex Toddler Magnetic Drawing Board. Looking for a great gift? This magnetic drawing board is perfect for toddlers. It's a fantastic present for birthdays or any special occasion, offering endless artistic expression and educational exploration. This toy enhances crucial skills like visual perception and hand-eye coordination. It's also a great tool for learning letters, words, and numbers. Turn playtime into an educational adventure. Designed with a durable screw-on system, this drawing board is built to handle heavy use. The legs are easily detachable and adjustable, offering the perfect fit for your little artist's comfort. Let their creativity flow. Crafted with top-notch ABS material, this board is non-toxic and BPA-free. Safety is a priority, with a full sealed back and rounded corners to prevent any accidental scratches. It's child-friendly. Forget about paper and crayons. This magnetic drawing board offers an exciting and environmentally friendly way to unleash creativity. With a smooth gliding eraser, it's easy to wipe away drawings. Say goodbye to mess and hello to fun. What we like. This Doctor Kit encourages pretend play and role-playing, allowing children to experience being a doctor or nurse. It includes a variety of medical tools and a cute dog toy. If your child dreams of being a doctor or enjoys imaginative play, this set is perfect. It helps ease anxieties about doctor visits and builds confidence through fun, interactive play. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The design is very cute and appealing to young children. It has various interactive features that keep the child engaged. Number 1. Meland Doctor Kit for girls with vet dog. This Doctor Kit includes everything a future doctor needs. It comes with a cute fluffy dog toy, a doctor coat, and various medical tools. It's perfect for girls who love to pretend and dream of being a doctor. This set allows your little one to play doctor, nurse, or patient. They can learn about medical tools and procedures, helping to ease any anxieties about checkups. It's a fun way to familiarize them with the doctor's office. With simulated medical tools and a realistic nurse costume, this kit encourages creative play. They can take temperatures and listen to heartbeats, sparking their imagination. Watch them take care of their dolls or animals. This medical toy set builds confidence and develops empathy and communication skills. Role-playing games encourage conversation and creativity. Your little doctor will love curing their patients. It's a great gift for pretend play, role play, parties, or birthdays. Recommended for girls aged 3 to 8, it's a hit for any child who dreams of a medical career. They will have so much fun with it. What we like. This is a great gift for a 3-year-old girl. It is interactive, fun, and easy to use. If you are looking for a gift that will keep your child entertained for hours, this is the perfect choice. It is also a great way to encourage creativity and imagination. What people say. Super cute doctor set for girls. The perfect gift for my toddler. Easy to clean up and great quality on the toys. She plays with it all the time. This was the perfect gift for my granddaughter who absolutely loves all animals. She loves pretending to be a vet and she may just grow up to be one someday. The accessories are simple and help to portray a real vet. It allows for the imagination to help every single pet. It is nice that it comes in a carrying bag so all the pieces don't get lost. The scrub shirt fit for a 6-year-old girl and she really loves it. The cute puppy that came with it is cute too. Great for 2 to 3-year-olds. My daughter loves it and is so cute with her outfit. Has all the tools to make them role play and comes with a cute bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.